Everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to subscribe to Snapchat Plus on an iPhone. Let's get started. First, unlock your iPhone and open the Snapchat app. Once Snapchat opens, tap on your Bitmoji icon or profile picture at the top left corner of your screen. Now, on your profile screen, look for Snapchat Plus. You will see it near the top with a star icon. Tap on Snapchat Plus. Here, Snapchat will show you all the Snapchat Plus features like custom app icons, story rewards count, Snapchat badge, or early access to new features. Scroll down and choose a subscription plan. You can select monthly or yearly depending on what you prefer. Now tap on subscribe. Your iPhone will ask for confirmation using Face ID, Touch ID, or your Apple ID password. Confirm the payment. Once the payment is successful, you will see a message saying Snapchat Plus is active. You will also notice a Snapchat Plus badge on your profile. And that's it. You have successfully subscribed to Snapchat Plus on iPhone. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.